Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. In this video, we will create our token on the Blast blockchain. So for that, first we need to add the networks in our MetaMask, like mainnet or testnet, whatever network we are choosing. Then we also need some Ethereum on the Blast blockchain, and we also talk about, and after that we will deploy a contract using blast ethereum on the testing network like spolia. So first of all, we need to add the networks. If we go on the blast documentation, here we have the network information, and here is the blast mainnet information, and we can add it manually, clicking on MetaMask. Go here on the networks, add network, click add network, and we have to paste the same information as we looking here, and also here the testnet. These values we have to put here. We will fill this all and make it safe. And the easiest way to add these networks, we have the button here on the spolia blast explorer.io. Simply we will click here, and it will be use MetaMask. Proof switch network. So the network blast spoiler network added here. Okay, and we can also add mainnet for the blast blockchain from the blast scan.io. So first step is completed. We add both network on the mainnet and testnet in our MetaMask. And the next step to get the fund for testing a smart contract deploying or whatever we want to do. Here is the blast.io en/bridge. So if you have real Ethereum, so you can deposit here amount, like if we want to convert 0.1 ETH to blast, so we will connect wallet and proceed it. So it will be convert from mainnet to blast network. Same if we have blast network Ethereum, so we can withdraw here, and we can put the amount of the Ethereum, so it will be from blast to main Ethereum net. So we can here convert on the blast network, and here withdraw, we can convert back to the Ethereum network. So this website for only main network. And if we are deploying a contract on the testnet, so we need faucets. So also the information in the, we can get the faucet from the quick note and the from the alchemy also. And here is the I have this contract, so I can share the link here in the video description, so you can use this contract. Simply what to have to do, we have to copy the contract address, and we need to send some funds to this contract, so it will be automatically give back us the same amount on the blast network. So for example, here we have the network blast spolia. So here we don't have funds, so let's show test networks. Okay, if we click on this Spolia, okay, we have 15.63 ETH here, and for this we have, I think, 0. Okay, so let's send to contract address this 22F. Okay, I want 0.1 ETH and make it next. And make it confirm. So just wait for the transaction to confirm, and we will get here the same amount, 0.1 ETH. Okay, so let's move forward. So fund will be received here, and also I can show you here, and you can connect wallet and choose the network and paste your wallet address. But this website have some um, limits, or like restrictions, or whatever you want, you can understand. So at least 0.001 ETH on mainnet must have in your wallet, then you can able to collect the blast faucets. And this is the same on the all, like if you are using alchemy and any other, so they will ask for this amount, because the mostly bots are activated, and they claim the faucets free. So let me check if our transaction is proceed. As you can see, we received 0.1 ETH from this. We send from this Spolia to this smart contract. If we make it refresh, also we can see the transaction here, the amount we convert. Like 1 minute ago we just converted 0.1 ETH, and it's give us on the 0.1 ETH on the blast network. So let's deploy our contract on the blast chain. So here we have a simple basic ERC20 contract, so we are getting from the OpenZip line, and we will go here on the remix, and we will click on the contracts, create new file, erc20.sol. We will paste here contract. We will choose the compiler version. Here is the contract name. We can change it, and also the token name and the token symbol, and the supply we want here we will put in the time of the deployment. So just waiting for the compilation of this contract. Okay, let's compile it. Done. Now we can deploy injected provider MetaMask. it will be fetch the balance and also account. Let's choose the contract. This is contract and this is the amount of the token we want to. For example, we want to deploy 1000 tokens, so we will must have to put the amount of the decimals. So as standard the 18 decimals, so we have to must put 18 after the amount of the initial supply. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the getting balance here. So if we're not seeing funds here, maybe we can issue at the time of the deployment. Okay, let's make it wallet connect. Connect wallet, MetaMask. Okay, so here we can see amount of the balance. Let's deploy our token. We can see here the transaction in the terminal. If also the contract is deployed here, we can copy the address or we can get the details here from the transaction hash and also the contract address. So let's go for the network information and Polyablast Explorer. Paste the contract address here. Okay, so here is the details we deployed. So the amount of token 10,000, I think we increase 10, and here is the decimals 18s and the contract. The contract is by default, I think, verified because it's from open zipline. If we deployed our own contract, so we also make video on it how to verify the contract on the blockchain's explorer. Okay, I think there is enough in this video, and if you have any issue related the creation of the tokens on the Blast blockchain, so you can contact us on our Telegram group where we can mostly developers can help you.